Welcome to Quarter 1, Week 1. Keep trying C. Determine the solution of the quadratic equation using completing the square. Let's try item number 7. First step, rearrange in standard form. We skip this kasi nasa standard form na siya. Second, divide each term by A. But since A, or the leading coefficient here, is just the invisible one, we skip this step. The third step is to isolate C. What is the constant term here? Yes, that's positive 3. To do that, we transpose positive 3 sa right-hand side. And this becomes negative dito. So we write x squared minus 4x. Kinopya lang natin yung natirang terms dito sa left-hand side. And equals this now negative 3. Yan. Fourth step, add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. But we must first ask, what is the coefficient of x? Correct. That is the negative 4 here. So let's put negative 4 dito sa ating pre-made formula. That's negative 4. Next is to get half of negative 4. This gives us negative 2. Correct. And then square negative 2. That should be positive 4. Now, we add this 4 to both sides of the equation. So, we will have x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals itong negative 3 at the right plus 4 ulit. If we simplify, we will have x squared minus 4x plus 4 at the left equals positive 1 na lang sa right. Note that this trinomial here is a perfect square trinomial. Ibig sabihin, we can factor this completely by just writing x and isunod lang natin itong half of the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. So we write minus 2. And then we multiply it by itself or simply write squared. And then equate this to positive 1. Now the next step is to extract the square roots. So let me write the square root symbol here. Square root of 1. To do this, we just cancel yung square root symbol and the square. So we shall get x minus 2 sa left side and equals the roots of positive 1. From our previous discussion, it should be equal to positive and negative 1. Now, kapag ganito na yung resulting equation, split lang natin siya. Una, yung x minus 2 na equal sa positive 1. And pangalawa is yung x minus 2 na equal dito sa negative 1. And then you solve to get for the value of x. So, to do that, you transpose negative 2 at the right. You shall have 1 plus 2. So, what should be the final value? Do the same here. X should be negative 1 naman plus itong tinranspose mong negative 2 na magiging plus 2. What should be the final value? Now, for your answer, you shall write x equals kung ano yung value dito sa first, comma, kung ano yung value dito sa second. Always box your final answer.